Hello everyone and welcome back. Alright, I just got home from work and well, I pulled out this ABUS 8045 here that was sent to me and pinned up by the Texas Lock Picker on April 5th, 2017. And I got a comment from one of my subscribers, I guess from Germany, I can't remember who it was questioning on saying he's never seen an ABUS like this before, was wondering if it was a US version, and actually this lock does say made in USA. And it's actually one of my first ones that I've ever seen with a quick set keyway too. I do have another ABUS 8045 here that I got this from eBay. Came without a key, and well, I was a little disappointed in this one. I picked it, and well, this one has a Slade type keyway, and well, you can see this is picked, and I don't know, the driver is not hooked up or something's wrong when this lock, the shackle is just not going to open. So I was pretty disappointed in that. I was going to cut a key for this. But anyways, we have this ABUS 8045, and yeah, let's see if we can get in this, and well, we'll see what the Texas Lock Picker put in it for us. I'm going to zoom this up for us. Focus it in. Alright. Okay, I'm going to go top of the keyway with this tension wrench, and I'm going to use one of Chuck's picks. You might be thinking, oh, it looks like one of yours, but Chuck had sent me a few really nice picks, and they had the dipped handles, and I used them a lot, and the handles, or the dip portion, started peeling off, and I had to put electrical tape around them and everything, and they just started looking like hell, and they deserve more respect than that, so I put some handles on them today. I stained them. I still haven't polyurethaned them, but we're going to use it, and I'll get to polyurethaning it. Okay, I think we're locking up on one, and a little bit of counter rotation too. Okay, now pin 2. Ooh. It might have been an overset. Well, a couple clicks from 3. A little counter from 5, but not sure if that was an overset. Oh yeah, the way this lock is acting now, I think that was a definite overset. Oh, a little click from 4. Counter right here. Okay, I'm not sure if I got him. Looking for somebody talking. I think I have an overset. I think I need to put a little more tension on this lock. Try not to overset so much. with that. A lot of clicking back there. I got a little turn on that core though off of 5. We're open on 5. Alright, awesome. Sweet. Okay, now I have to take this apart. Could be a little bit tricky. Alright, before I pull out the pinning tray, let's see if we can get this core out of here. Maybe I could just... Okay. There went the shackle. I think he warned me about that too. He said something was going to go flying. I thought it would be the core. But I guess it's the shackle. Alright. Put that aside. We don't need that. We don't need that. All we need is this, guys. This is what we need right there. Alright, let me grab my pinning tray. Okay, could be 6 pins. I'm not sure if I felt 6 or just 5. Alright, actually, let's take a look at this key, guys. Oh, there you go. Alright, that's the bitting on it. Had a pretty decent bitting. A lot of these hiding behind that second pin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Possibly a 6th pinner. Alright, let's check out the keys, how well that works. Nice. Okay. Alright, let's get this clip off of here. Alright, maybe I'll spin that around to here and then try it. Alright, at least we didn't go flying that time. Okay, let's see what we got, guys. Okay, yeah, the way that core is, and I could aim it up a little bit and see if we can push it out now. Oh no, we can't. We have a limiter there. Pull that out first. Okay, now let's try it. There we go. Yep, well, we got 6 pins. Looks like we got one that's cracked in half there. Okay, I've never seen that before. I'm not sure, but it looks like it's definitely cracked in half. Alright, let's check this out, guys. As I am curious, and he's done some work to that core too. Alright, pin 1, 2, 3, which I think is a 2-parter. Yep, it definitely is. That is totally different. I've never seen that before. 3 or 4, excuse me, 5 and 6. That is definitely strange. Yep, definitely strange. Alright, up here you can see we have threading in every chamber, and he's, I forgot what that's called, but he took that back a little bit, trying to make a deeper falset going on there. Sweet. Alright, let's see what we have up here. My tweezers. Okay, pin 1. Barely sticking up, must have a very weak spring. Very tiny spring, really tiny. Of course, there's not much room in here, there's got to be all tiny springs in here. Another one, barely sticking up. Imagine all these springs are going to be the same, because he needs them. No, no, that one might be even actually a little smaller. Alright. We got some threading up here too. And that one is not even coming out at all. I want to see which way it's coming out. Okay. He's cut these pins very strangely too. Alright. Another very tiny spring. These are tiny. I don't want to lose these. I don't think I have any replacements. Cool. Right in this spot. And that is a long one. Can't believe we fit that in there. Ever so small spring. Alright, last but not least, number 6. Alright. And he definitely has done some work. I think he's threaded every one of these. I could tell by looking at the top here. Yep, he's got threading in every one of those chambers. Alright, let's take a look at these pins. Alright, you're going to want to see this 3 that's split in half there. Okay, well, we have a serrated type in 1. We got this, ooh, that's a pin and pin in 2. Nice. Little pin and pin in 2. And okay, it's got a couple of spools there, double spool kind of. Then he's got this pin here which he's split in half. For what reason I'm not sure, but he did. He split that one in half. I'm not even going to try to pick that up. I think it's pretty much a standard. Split in half. Alright, key pin 4 is double spool, 5 is a standard, and then we have a little spool type, or maybe a wide serration there in 6. And up here we have, I believe that's a double spool. Look in the camera, I could see it probably a little better. Spool with a serration, and is that a T-pin on the top? No, maybe not. Okay, then this one here is a spool with serration here on the top. I think that's a mushroom type spool. And then we have this one here with a bunch of different cuts in it. Pretty cool pin. All hand done. And then we have a double spool here in 4. And 5, that's not a pin and pin, is it? Nope. Or is it? No, but it's got this collar that he got in there, and it's a loose collar. It's a pretty cool pin for sure. Nice. Good job. And then we have a serrated on the top here and spool on the bottom. And then a bunch of little tiny steel springs. Awesome job. Very good. Lots of work done to that, for sure. Good job, Texas Lockpicker. Alright guys, yeah, well, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions or comments, comment below. And yeah, I'm going to have fun putting this lock together. So everybody, yeah, please be safe and stay legal. Thanks guys. Bye.